How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on your Android device. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to find your Wi-Fi router name on your Android device, you may have noticed that some users report their Wi-Fi name is missing from the settings. This can make it difficult to locate your Wi-Fi network. After analyzing the issue, I have outlined 3 effective solutions to resolve the problem of the Wi-Fi name not showing up on Android. So let's get started. First, open your device settings. Scroll down and tap on Connecting and Sharing. Next, scroll down and select Reset. Tap on Reset Settings and enter your pattern to proceed and reset your network. Next, follow these steps. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Here, you can scroll down and select Developer Options. Now, look for Wi-Fi throttling and turn it on. Now restart your device and your Wi-Fi router, ensuring that the router is powered on. After completing these steps, you should be able to find your Wi-Fi name. If the issue persists, you may need to reset your Wi-Fi configuration. And that's it. If you have any questions about your Wi-Fi issues, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.